Hey guys, it's Tiffany. So I thought I would do a tutorial on this look. It's kind of like a gothy, but more in of an alternative look. And I'm sorry about the poor lighting. Hopefully y'all can see. So I thought I would kind of do. It's really light, and it's subtle and everything. This is also going to be part of my spring lookbook. So this is kind of a spring alternative look and everything like that. So if you guys recreate any of my spring looks, just use the hashtag TiffSpringLookbook2019 and I will repost some of my favorites on my Instagram. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to use to prep, of course, is this Rose Water 3-in-1 primer water, and it's rose water, and it's by Wet n Wild. So I'm just going to do a couple quick sprays. And then on my face. Just kind of massage that in a little bit. Do a little quick dry. And now we are ready to begin. So, of course, if you want to, you can use concealer, foundation, and powder, but of course, if you want to be quick, you can just use primer water. Like I said, this is by Wet n Wild, and it's rose water. This is the 3-in-1 primer water. So for this whole entire look, I am going to be using the BlackHeart Interstellar eyeshadow palette from Hot Topic. Really cool colors. The first color I'm gonna take is it's like a purpley, like a plum color, and it's in the shade. This one is in the shade Nebula. And you're gonna apply that on the crease. Oops. Sorry, y'all, something was under my Next, we are going to take the shade Star. Actually, no, we're not. First of all, we're going to take the shade Sun. We're going to take a little white color. This one's in the shade Sun. And we're going to apply that on we're going to lightly tap it on our lid. This will be the base color for the other eyeshadows that we're going to use. Next, we're going to take the shade Star. It's like a light gray, shimmery gray color. We're also going to apply that, kind of just lightly smudge it over onto the white. The last shade we're gonna take is like a shimmery, a shimmery black one, a shimmery black color, and we're gonna lightly tap it on our lid on top of the star, and this is in the shade Black Hole. And we are going to lightly tap it on our lid. This is gonna create that smoky effect. This is why you want to do the lighter colors first, so that way it can create this smoky effect. If you want, you can also go back to that dark plum color and kind of just even it out a little bit like I'm doing. And of course you are done with that. Now for the lips, you can now for the lips, you can do like a shimmery color like this. This one is by Rue21. It's in the shade Wonder Child. This is one of those Diamond Crush, which I'm gonna apply on my lips right now, so that way y'all can see it. Or if you're gonna go out all day and everything, you can also use a clear lip gloss. This one is by Wet n Wild, and it's in the shade Crystal Clear. So you can have a choice. You either can have like a sparkly lip, or you can just use clear lip gloss. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, wherever you are in the world. If you recreate any of these looks that I'm doing for the springtime, use the hashtag TiffsSpringLookbook 2019, and I will repost some of my favorites.